Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at this dude right here. So we will be doing a review, a setup video and everything later on. However, this video is just an unboxing, so we're going to do that right now. Now that's around the box. I know you guys are always asking me to show you around the box and what's there. Now inside the box I can see there's already two manuals. Don't worry about that, guys. I will have a video of how to set this guy up. And that's it. That's all that's inside the box. So we just have those manuals plus this guy. So we're just going to take them out. So once again, this is all that we get inside the box. It's just those two manuals plus this guy right here. So let me just get a better close-up so you guys can see. Again, these are just manuals. There's a French and English one. We're just going to throw that away for now, so you guys don't need it. And here it is. So to give you a quick look around him, it's fairly light, not that heavy, but it has a little bit of weight to it. I would say it would be maybe the same as an iPhone. No, it's a little bit heavier than an iPhone for sure. So just a little bit heavier than an iPhone if you guys have one. Comparing this to a Samsung phone, it's still heavier than my Samsung phone. Anyways, around it, that's where you guys can see that. So the buttons we have on the side are these guys. So just to factory reset, this guy, and then on and off. Pretty simple. That side there's nothing. This side Ethernet cable, and that's about it. And just plug it into your wall. Pretty much done with this dude. So again, pretty simple design. I don't understand why. Okay, so you can't twist this up. Oops, no, maybe you can't twist it that way. It would make sense if you can twist it this way. Yep, you can twist it this way. Good. So we're able to twist it this way, which makes sense to me, because once you plug this into your wall, you want the antenna to be facing up. So that's how it looks. It's not too big. So again, comparing the size to an iPhone once again, this length, because of the antenna, I would say would be almost the same length as an iPhone, just because antenna, or else it would be half the size. Thickness, well, this is significantly thicker than an iPhone. That would be one iPhone, two iPhones, three iPhones, 3.5 iPhones, something like that, thickness. It is fairly small, so that's really good, because I don't want this to stand out too much when I plug it in. I want it to be seamless on my wall. I want this to be a big thing right there, and I'm glad it's white as well, because that, again, my walls are white, so this will look fine. As for the unboxing, guys, there's not much to show you right here. This is all you guys get. That's it. I can't really tell you much about this. The plastic seems fine. It seems like a normal router type of thing. This is an extender, by the way, not a router. So it should be this small. So I'm glad it is. And it doesn't weigh that much, like I already said. Again, it's a standard plug to your wall. Nothing complicated about it. And I will be doing a setup video so you guys can see how easy it is to set these guys up, and a review after a few weeks. So after a few weeks, I'll be doing a review to let you know how it goes, any tricks and tips that I have for you, and all that jazz. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.